How turmeric helps in weight loss and is safe. How to use turmeric, Haldi, to lose weight and burn belly fat, weight loss. Weight reduction diets must include a variety of healthful foods and herbs that boost metabolism while also providing other health advantages. Turmeric, often known as Haldi, is a staple in Indian cooking. It not only adds a lovely and vivid yellow color and flavor to your curries, rice, and sweets, but it is also recognized for its medicinal characteristics, which are used to treat a variety of health problems. Turmeric, it is thought, might also help you lose weight. Because of turmeric's anti-inflammatory and anti-obesity characteristics, it can help you lose weight in a healthy way. A few studies have also shown that the active component curcumin in turmeric is the unsung superhero. This chemical is thought to be responsible for the spice's weight reduction properties. We explain how turmeric can help you lose weight and how to use it to its full potential. Turmeric is a superfood that will astound you if utilized wisely. Turmeric can help you lose weight. Reasons why it is an excellent weight loss spice. Turmeric contains anti-inflammatory characteristics that aid in the reduction of inflammation in the body, which is one of the causes of obesity. Curcumin, an antioxidant, reduces inflammation in adipose, pancreatic, and muscle cells. How can turmeric help with weight loss? One method is to consume turmeric tea. All you need to do is to throw a cup or two of water into a pot and boil it. Once the water comes to a boil, add a dash of turmeric to it. In case you wish to add cinnamon, you might add a stick or powder to it. Cinnamon also aids with weight loss. Stir thoroughly, then pour into a cup and serve when lukewarm. Another method is to include it on a regular basis into curries, rice dishes, desserts, and other delicacies. Another alternative is turmeric milk. On medium heat, heat the milk for 6 to 7 minutes. Fill a glass halfway with milk and top with turmeric powder. Stir well. Remember that turmeric is not a miraculous spice. In order to reduce weight, you must consume a good diet and exercise. The same is true for all spices, herbs, and other nutritional foods, even if they have been shown to aid in weight reduction. Is taking turmeric pills safe? Turmeric is an important component of curry powder and has a long history of usage in Ayurvedic medicine. Curcumin, the key component, has been shown to decrease inflammation and enhance antioxidants. Some study has been conducted to see if these qualities can protect against heart disease or improve outcomes for persons who have coronary heart disease. However, while some studies have had favorable findings, they have not been consistent, and in other cases have been tiny, brief, or based on animals, rather than humans, making it difficult to draw accurate conclusions. The problem is that the curcumin in turmeric is not easily absorbed by the body, so you may get little or no benefit. As a result, we do not suggest turmeric supplements. Turmeric pills are generally safe for the majority of individuals. However, if you use anticoagulants, blood thinners, like warfarin, consult your doctor before taking turmeric supplements. Turmeric at high dosages may have a blood-thinning effect. If combined with prescription anticoagulants, this may raise the risk of severe bleeding. Turmeric supplements should not be taken by anyone who have liver or bile duct disorders, since they can increase bile production. Cooking with turmeric should not create any issues. However, don't assume that meals and drinks containing turmeric, such as turmeric lattes, are healthful. They typically come with extra additives that are heavy in saturated fat or sugar. Thank you and stay safe.